Hi everyone. In this video, I want to explain the difference between importing data into Notion database or Notion page. Because Node API connector supports these two use cases, so we can import data into Notion databases, or if you use a Notion plain page, in this case, it's imported as a simple table. So for example, here we have this investment page. At first I just check if we have active connection with Node API connector. So it means, as you can see, it means that Node API connector can access this page, including child pages. So for example, we can create a database, we can call it like NotionDB. Then we can create a page and call it Notion page. And then when we go to NotionDB, we can just create a new database property symbol. So now we have database with two Notion database properties. Now, if I want to create a new request, so let's say I want to import Bitcoin price, and here, as you can see, we can select what fields we want to import into the database. Like, I don't know, we can select what we want to omit, or we can select all of them. And then, as you can see, these are the API data that we want to import. And here we can see API fields. And here we can select existing Notion fields. So for example, the API field is called name, but in NotionDB, we can already use the name field. We can also use the symbol field. We can also create our own field. Like for example, current price, we want to have it in NotionDB just as a price, not current price. So now when we import this data, you can see that we have name and symbol that we selected, and we have also like the price field that we created, and then the other API fields that we edit as they were in the response view. And you can also, like here, for example, you can also change the type of the property, and the same thing you can do also here. So for example, you can also change the type of the property. So this is how it works if you import data into Notion database. Then when you import data into Notion page, like for example, you can also convert page into Notion database when you click the database. Now, if I create a new request, or like let's say like the same request for this page, and when I run it, then I can just select the fields we want to import, but here I cannot rename it and I cannot change the type. Changing type, it doesn't make any sense here because it's just simple text block. And the renaming, I haven't like implemented it for plain pages, because for Node API connector, the strong use case is Notion database, not like Notion page. So that's why only this use case is supported right now. And as you can see, it looks like this. So so that's the difference between importing data or synchronizing data into pages and Notion databases. But definitely, if more users just like need to, or like more users use importing data into pages, or like definitely I will implement the functionality to be able to rename the fields here in Notion pages. So yeah, so this is how it works for now. So thanks for watching, and if there is anything you need to clarify or implement or whatever, just leave a comment, or don't hesitate to reach out.